Right, well, WeightWatchers International is expanding into the obesity drug prescription business with the acquisition of telehealth platform Sequence. Its stock saw a huge move on the announcement. You see they're up 40% on the day. Yahoo Finance's Anjalee Khemlani has the details. Hi, Anjalee.
Hi, Rochelle. That's right. So this is an interesting move for WeightWatchers, which we know has put emphasis on natural processes, on food plans, as well as, just general diet and exercise over the years as a format for losing weight. Now, they're looking at a different segment of the population and noting in the statement announcing the acquisition that, quote, we know weight management isn't a one-size-fits-all, and clinical and interventions are not medically or otherwise appropriate for everyone. They also did tell the Wall Street Journal that they are intending to not prescribe this for someone who maybe just needs to lose about 10 pounds. So that's just, sort of a disclaimer on where this is going and how this changes Weight Watchers' sort of strategy and how they're looking to broaden the customer base that they're looking at. We do know that the telehealth platform does cater to and does prescribe some of these new drugs that have been prescribed for weight loss, even though they're originally maybe for diabetes or other types of illnesses like high cholesterol and the like, all part of what does impact weight. So this is where it sort of starts coming together, looking at, really finding synergies here. And this is where it makes sense for Weight Watchers, but it is a different strategy and an interesting strategy. It does gear more clinical than what the traditional Weight Watchers has built its brand and reputation on. Currently, Sequence has about 24,000 members across the U.S. and will be all part of Weight Watchers shortly.
And it's interesting. I mean, I've been doing Google searches on a lot of these weight loss drugs for a lot of these segments. So now I'm getting bombarded with all these ads. Some not from doctors, though. Some from like private clinics with a lot of these weight loss drugs. What should people really be aware of when they're seeing these ads and really getting targeted by them? Yeah,
well, that has been part of the concern, right? There have been online platforms, telehealth platforms that can prescribe these, and there have even been celebrities who have, acknowledged that they are taking these drugs for that little bit of weight loss. So it really is interesting. This is not necessarily what they were designed for, and so it just goes back to broader availability of prescriptions that don't fit the original intention, and just being cautious when using it for something that's not necessarily the original intent of that drug. I think that would be sort of that consumer, warning on that. But outside of that, it is gaining popularity, and that has been the concern for these drugs.
Yeah, certainly important not to look at it as a quick fix. Make sure to read all the small print, especially for the side effects and things. Yahoo Finance says Anjalee Khemlani, thanks so much.